Hello guys, welcome to Anglian Autos. Today we are going to do the alternator for Suzuki Alto, 1 liter 2014 model. Let's do that. Just remove the battery, plus or minus. Remove the plus and just I'm gonna lose this setting here, this one with number 10 bolt on the back. Remove this number 12 and then you can lose this alternator belt. Okay, that's alternator belt out. Now that lose number 14 here, yeah, this one, and just remove this number 1 2 3, put something underneath under the engine, and you can here with the jack, and you can take the you can move that engine forward and you can take the alternator out from here. Okay, let's do that. Thank you. Just need to show you the plug on the back. This is the plug, yeah, and number 10 mil for the earth wire, and the alternator is out. Just to make things easier, what I'm going to do, I'm gonna remove this bracket so alternator can come out easily. Okay. Okay guys, I removed the engine mounting and I removed the clip on the back. I removed the number 10 mil the power socket, and now I'm gonna move the engine a little bit and I'm gonna bring out the alternator from the on the side from there. Yeah, I removed this bracket with number 12 mil bolts in it. Now I can take out the alternator from here. Yeah. There you go. Now we're gonna put the reverse back in the same way. Thanks for watching.